Welcome to the Outdoor Kitchen. I'm here with Chef Jim Kimberg from Crave Restaurants, and today we're going to have a little fun doing some winter camping campfire cooking.
Yes, we are.
A couple of things to keep in mind when you're winter camping is you want a recipe that's short for two reasons. One, it's cold out, so your hands are going to get cold fast. Two, daylight hours are shorter, so you want to make sure you have a quick recipe. Also, you want a recipe that's a little higher in fat content because you're probably burning a lot of energy out in winter wonderland. So what are we making today, Chef Jim?
We're doing venison quesadillas today.
That sounds good. Are you ready to get started?
I am ready, let's go. You'll notice I've taken the fire grate and I've just kind of wrapped it in some foil. And this is actually going to be our cooking surface for the quesadillas.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Less cookware, right?
Keep it quick, keep it simple.
We pre-chopped everything and also brought it out in some plastic baggies. So being pre-prepared is key when you're winter camping cooking.
A little planning goes a long ways. A little olive oil over the top of that. And we'll just kind of let the heat of that fire do its thing and soften those vegetables, bring out that nice roasted flavor. You might even get a little of that smoke infused in there. So a good cooking tip for over the campfire, if you notice your coals are too hot and it's cooking too fast, you don't want to burn it, right? So instead of panicking,
just take it off the flames.
Right off the coals. Let it kind of just gently rest there. And it's still hot enough to continue cooking, but it's not that scalding heat. I'm gonna slide them over to one side. Let's just put that cooked venison, just that traditional taco seasoning on there. I cooked the head last night.
Yes.
And we can just warm that up right over here.
Pre-cooking your meats actually saves a lot of time.
Just want to get it warm because we still got to do our tortillas. We're going to put down two at a time, and I'm going to show you a little trick. So we got a little bit of olive oil down here, just nice little base.
A little sizzle.
Little sizzle. And if you can fit both of those, one tortilla here, one tortilla there.
Sure can. I'm gonna go for extra cheese, Jim, because we've been working all day outside.
That's right, you need that energy.
Need a little more energy. You're gonna sleep well tonight.
So not only is that cheese gonna taste great, but it's also serving a purpose. It's gonna act almost like glue to keep our ingredients together when we go to flip this and combine it. So we'll do veggies on that side, we'll do some meat on this side. So Laura, I think we are ready. I took a quick peek in these tortillas. They're nice and golden brown. Look at that.
Wow, amazing.
And I'm gonna, if you wanna hold that plate for me.
I sure can.
Just scoop one of these right out there. Look at that.
Can't be winter camping without some hot chocolate. So if you're looking for something other than a dehydrated meal when you're winter camping, don't forget to get creative over the campfire. But remember, keep it quick, keep it simple, and of course, keep it wildly delicious. All right, I'm hungry. That is good.
It's tasty.